Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to open an LLC in Canada. It's important to understand that Canada does not have a direct equivalent to a limited liability company, or LLC, as found in the United States. Instead, Canadian entrepreneurs typically choose from structures like corporations, sole proprietorships, or partnerships, each with distinct legal and tax implications. We'll explore these options to help you find the best fit for your business goals. A Canadian corporation is often the closest alternative to an LLC, providing limited liability for its owners. This means your personal assets are generally protected from business debts. Corporations are separate legal entities, meaning they file their own tax returns and can offer tax advantages. You can choose to incorporate federally or provincially, depending on your business scope and where you plan to operate. For simpler business setups, a sole proprietorship is an easy option for one owner, but it offers no personal liability protection. Partnerships involve two or more individuals sharing profits and responsibilities, and typically also carry unlimited personal liability. While these structures are less complex to establish, it's crucial to understand the personal risk involved before making your decision. Once you've chosen your business structure, the next step is registration. This involves selecting a unique business name and registering it, often provincially. You'll also need to obtain a federal business number and any provincial tax accounts. Finally, ensure you secure all necessary permits and licenses specific to your industry and location to operate legally.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.